You know, one of my very favorite types of writing is argumentative writing. Oh, yes, indeed. To listen to somebody offer or advance a strongly worded opinion or claim and then support that claim with evidence or facts to support their argument. Well, there are very few things as exciting as that. Unless, of course, someone else comes along and they say, now wait just a moment, my dear chap. I have an opposing claim and I will prove to you why your claim is incorrect. Then just watch the feathers fly. Yes, indeed. Then you are in store for a good show. Indeed you are. But, you know, sometimes people get a little confused about the structure of an argument. And so I thought, with your kind permission, as always, I would show you a slight demonstration to illustrate how best to advance an argument, or to structure an argument. You see, say, for example, we have this card, and I say my argument is that this card has 1 dot on this side, it has 4 dots on this side, it has 3 dots on this side, and it has 6 dots on this side. That would be my claim. I would say 1 dot on this side, 4 dots on this side, 3 dots on this side, and 6 dots on this side. Well, another fellow may come along and say, my dear sir, you did not prove your claim with any evidence. And I would say, well, of course I did. I showed you 1, 4, 3, and 6. He said, yes, but you did not quite show us everything now, did you, sir? And I will say, well, what do you mean? And he will say, sir, please move your hand. Move your hand, sir, if you will. And me, being the gentleman I am, would be so kind as to oblige, and he would say, you see, there are not really 3 dots. There are only 2 dots, and so you can make it look like 1, or you can make it look like 3. He says, turn the card over, and of course I do. He says, you see, move your hand again. I say, well, all right, there you are. He says, you see, there are not really 6 dots or 4 dots. There looks like there are 6 dots. There looks like there are 4 dots, but in actuality, there are only 5 dots. Now, this is all well and good until a third chap comes along and says, my dear sirs, you are both incorrect. And you see, when there is a third argument introduced, things get very, very complicated indeed. And sometimes there are more than 2 sides to an argument. Sometimes there are many sides to an argument. He says, my dear sir, move your hand once more, if you would be so kind. And I do. And he says, you see, there really are 3 dots on this side. He says, turn the card over. And so I do. He says, move your hand one more time, and I do. He says, aha, you see, there really are 6 dots on this side. And if you have 6 dots on this side and 3 dots on this side, things are very, very confusing now indeed. And that is the problem when it comes to argumentation. Unless you are very, very clear with your language and very precise with your evidence and your supporting details, after a while, you just start seeing spots everywhere, and you end up completely and totally befuddled.